Hello dear fans. What is a radical? The origin of the word radical comes from the Latin radix, which means root. The term radical has several meanings. It is used in chemistry and politics. The mathematical radical is a root extraction sign. In chemistry, radicals called free radicals are highly reactive particles. Free radicals with unpaired electrons cause interaction with a magnetic field. The result is the formation of paramagnetic properties. Another feature of radicals is easy entry into chemical reactions with subsequent chain reactions due to the appropriation of electrons of other molecules by radicals. As a rule, the main property of free radicals is instability due to the rate of recombination. However, there are also stable radicals, for example, the Gomberg radical or Verdazel. According to their properties, chemical radicals are divided into short and long-lived, solid, liquid and gaseous, charged and neutral. Ions radicals, in turn, are subdivided according to the sign of charge into cation and anion radicals, as well as organic and inorganic formations. In politics, it is customary to call a person a radical who seeks radical changes in the existing state system. He is a supporter of decisive measures without compromise, defending his political ideas regardless of other opinions. As a rule, radical movements arise in the wake of crises of statehood, when a real threat to the measured existence of society becomes. Radicals tend to demand reforms. In modern Russian society, the so-called ultra-right radicals are widespread, whose ideas and slogans are essentially nationalistic and call for non-parliamentary methods of struggle to change the constitutional order. Often, radicals share extremist views, which makes them persona non grata in the state political landscape, but attracts rebellious youth to their ranks. Today's radicals in Russia include national Bolsheviks, ethno-nationalists. This includes pagans, Orthodox fundamentalists, neo-fascists, and monarchists. The radicals are known to the broad masses for holding public events such as the annual Russian March, which takes place in many cities across the country. Along with political radicals, there are also radicals in religion and philosophy. Thanks for watching.